What's up, y'all? We back with another vlog. Great to be back. First things first, go ahead and follow my Instagram right here. I'll leave it right here. We about to install a shift knob and a shift boot on the Civic, because this gotta go. And I hate this boot sag. And sadly, this new one might have the same, but I may be able to work something out with this rubber piece under here. So hopefully I can get that situated, because I hate that. And yeah, it should be pretty easy, pretty quick. I gotta take out I think it's like 6 screws in all. It's on the left side of the console and the right side of the console. Let me flip this camera around so we can get everything going. Got my tools right here. But yeah, it's just this screw right here, because that disconnects this part from this. It's separate, but you gotta take it apart because this is inside of that. So that one right there, and there's another one back there, and there's 3 on the other side. So after I get those 3 off of each side, that'll be it. It'll be 6 in all. Got the screws out. Let me get this out the way. And this comes off like this, of course. Let me get that out the way. And then you have this, and it just comes up like that. That slot and the cup holders don't come with it, so make sure you don't try to rip those out of there with it. Then you go ahead and unscrew the stock shift knob. Probably gonna throw this thing in the trash. Dang. All right. Hold up. Let me check something first. Yeah, that is not screwing on. So let me go get. I think I got more fittings for it, like this, but I'm not too sure. Hopefully I do. All right, guys, so these are the 3 fittings that came with it. By the way, I got this shift boot and this knob from the Destin Meat Slammed Enough. And I guess this is a company. The actual company was named Sun Rays something. But anyway, and get these 2 screws right here, one right here and the other one right there. Go ahead and knock those out. And then the shift boot just comes off, and it has slits in it where it fits around the metal plates around it, so the boot isn't moving. So I'm gonna have to cut some holes in the new boot so that they do the same. Yeah, get that wrist action. There it is. Put that over here to the side. Now this just comes out like this, and it hooks back there in the back to those. It was hooked like this, so yeah. And yeah, look at that thing. Piece of junk. This boot is like a lot bigger than the factory one. This is the factory one. This is the new one. So I'm gonna cut like probably from here all the way across to make it a little bit shorter, because if not, there's just gonna be a lot of excess material in the way that's just in the way for no reason. So I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the slots in it so it can fit around the metal bracket that holds the shift boot. Yeah, now this look a lot better. Now I'm about to go ahead and throw the slits in it. So I had to let my phone cool back down. This was probably the most tedious part, putting these slots in or whatever. And yeah, it's time for me to put the cover and stuff back on now. So all right, guys, this is it after getting everything back in order. This is the rubber piece that came out of the stock one. I feel like that's the only thing that's gonna keep it up right now. I'm gonna worry about that like here in the future, but it looks good. Look a lot better than that stock one, and it feels a lot better. I couldn't really figure out how to get the the freaking insert off. So what I did, I just got the insert, strewed it down. I didn't strew it all the way down because it's like a little bit longer. See, the threads go a little bit past it, and that'll be like too far for the shift knob, if you know what I'm saying. So I just put it like this so that the shift knob can get started. And as you strew it on, hold up, I might need to use 2 hands real quick. See if y'all can get that. Do it like that, and then I just strew it until it get tight. But I'm pretty sure that's not how it's supposed to go. I think that insert's supposed to come all the way out, and I just change it, but I couldn't figure out how to do it, so that's how I'm gonna rock with it for right now. It's just a daily. So yeah, looks a lot better than it did. And y'all be sure to stay tuned, because this is going next. That'll probably be the next thing that I do. I'll probably do the carpet. And yeah, definitely got to do the carpet, because that hole, and then that's another way of letting moisture in. And the other thing is, I got to figure out how to get these trunk leaks fixed. And I'm pretty sure when I'm ready, later on down the road, when I'm ready to paint it or whatever, I'm going to sand it down and stuff myself, because I eventually want to learn how to do that stuff myself. Because it'll be perfect if I could learn how to paint, and like when I wanted my car painted, I could just do it myself instead of having to wait on somebody. And also, these painters be taxing. And there's some painters that paint don't even be good, and they be taxing just because they did a lot of work with it. But like, if you don't got the proper equipment, that don't mean, like, even if you don't have the proper equipment, that don't mean tax somebody just because you worked hard at it. People giving you their money, so you need, your product need to be as best as possible. Y'all be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Next vlog will probably be me putting carpet in here, or either find another tire for the Avalon. I gotta do that soon. And y'all stay tuned, and y'all like, comment, subscribe. I know I already said that, but I'm just keeping it in y'all head so y'all can stay tuned, because I got a lot coming this year. And y'all stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm out, man.